We're going to be talking everything do's and don'ts for velour extensions. One of the most important things is to prep your lashes properly. Clean them up, no oils, no skincare, no makeup of any kind on your natural lashes. Another thing that you want to ensure doing when applying velour extensions is always starting from the outer corner of the eye. Longest lash cluster will always sit there and it'll go incrementally shorter to the inner corner, especially when you're using the velour extensions kit. When you're using velour extensions with our multi-day lash bond, it's for several day wear. You always want to apply that underneath your natural lashes. To get the longest wear out of velour extensions for multi-day wear, you really want to make sure that you're cleaning them daily. So use an oil-free makeup remover, gently brush that through the velour extensions, and you're good to go. The multi-day lash bond is a dermatologist-tested, gentle formula. It's going to feel great wearing it for multiple days at a time. Just ensure when you apply it underneath the natural lashes that you aren't touching the waterline. And those are some of my favorite do's and don'ts that help me with velour extensions.